What's up guys, back with another video today, and as you saw in the latest video, I showed you the carbon fiber fenders I got for the car, and today's the day we start trying to put those on. So first things we gotta do is we gotta take the side skirts off, the front bumper and the headlights off. I'm gonna show you guys installing the actual fenders, but I'm not gonna show you all that because that shit kind of gets kind of boring. I know that. But I will provide a link down below to where you can find that on the forums and stuff on how to unbolt all that stuff. I've done it many times before with all my failed ass attempts in the back to do homemade side skirts and stupid ass shit to the car that didn't work. But yeah, so I'm gonna get those off real quick and I'll get back to you whenever it comes to the actual fender installation part. What's up guys, we're back now. I know my hair's kind of messed up. I've been fucking laying in the car. It's messed up all the time, fuck it. Anyway, I got everything taken off right now. I'm gonna show you where we at right now. This is where we at right now. And the last thing I gotta do is the fender. And on the fender you got these two bolts down here, and then you got two on the door. Sorry about that, the card got full, but anyway, back to what I was saying. There's those two bolts down there, and then there's a bolt right there. And there's also another bolt down there, if you can see that, which I don't think you can. But anyway, like right there. And yeah, so I'm gonna get those four bolts off, and then take the fenders off, and we'll start with the carbon fiber install. And I'm gonna film those to completion. Like I'm gonna film exactly how to put those on and where I'm gonna drill the holes and stuff. Hopefully it matches up. Hopefully the fitment's good, I'm hoping. And yeah, so I'll get back to you guys whenever I get these fenders off. Alright, what's up guys? Finally got the fenders off just now. Here's how the car's looking. Got both sides. It was a little bit more than just those four bolts. Had some bolts running along the top right here that I had to get off. And then those bolts down there, one right there. That's that one that I was talking about earlier that you couldn't really see well. And then there's another one right over there that you had to get. But yeah, so here's everything right now. So everything's off. I don't know what I'm gonna do about my blinkers right here. I don't know if I should cut into the carbon fiber fenders and try to put those on or not. I don't know if I will, but yeah, so that's gonna be it for today. The weather's kind of getting bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and head inside and start up again tomorrow with the carbon fiber, with the actual fender install, and I'll get back to you guys then. What's up guys? So I realized that I didn't realize until after the fact, but during the actual carbon fiber fender install, I failed to pick up the camera one time. I didn't even pick up the camera once. We had a couple little fitment issues in the beginning, and so it kind of got my nerves bad, and I really just picking up the camera didn't even cross my mind. But we got it on now. We still have some fitment issues with the bumper. I got to pull the bumper back off and try to get it to line up right. It's not clipping in like it should. But yeah, so because I forgot to actually film the install of it, I guess it's not really an install video, although they are installed now. I'll have a link below, links to a whole step-by-step process on how to actually pull everything off and put the fenders on, just in case any of you guys want to try it at home. I put together like a couple video clips for you guys to see the fenders on the car now in the sunlight. It looks awesome in the sunlight. But yeah, so I apologize again for not actually filming the install of them. But yeah, we do have another install video that I actually will show the install for coming up in a little. It'll probably be the next video. So yeah. Keep it rolling. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.